In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an LLC in Ohio. And if you're looking to do it fast without the usual runaround, you're definitely in the right place. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to get your Ohio LLC set up in just around 5 minutes. And if you want to follow along, you can click the link in the description of the pinned comment, which will take you to a unique page where you can start your LLC for just $0, only paying the standard state fees. First, head over to tailorbrands.com. There, you'll see a button where you can choose your LL state. Simply click on that, scroll down, and select Ohio, and then hit Get Started. Now, at this point, you'll need to enter the name of your business. Remember, you don't have to add LLC after it. Once you've come up with a name, click on Try this name. With a name chosen, you'll be prompted to click Next. Now, you'll need to specify what your business will offer. Will it be goods, services, leisure and hospitality, content, tech and software, or perhaps something else? Make the selection that best represents your business and click Next. You'll encounter some questions you might choose to answer, or you can skip them if you prefer. These include queries about the current stage of your business or the planned launch date. Answer them if you find it useful, or skip them to save time. The same goes for questions about industry offerings, potential employee hires within the next year, your annual income goal, the location of your operations, and the way you'll serve customers. Next up is an easy question. Are there any additional services you plan to handle for your business, perhaps obtaining an EIN? I'll show you how you might get one for free without any extra charge. Just check off the services you're interested in and hit Next. As you move forward, you'll have the chance to note what you've already accomplished for your business. Mark anything applicable or choose Skip or none of the above. Keep in mind that with Tailor Brands, not only can you set up an LLC, but you also gain access to a complimentary 12-week coaching program available with any planned purchase, including the $0 LLC offer for those interested. Before wrapping up, you'll enter personal information like your first and last name and number. This information ensures you can be contacted about your LLC. Complete this and then click Next to proceed. Now, on to saving money. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is vital when starting an LLC. You can obtain one through Tailor Brands for $99, or you can do it yourself for free. I've included a link in the description directing you to the official IRS website where you can apply for an EIN at no cost. A great way to reduce expenses is by getting your LLC first and then obtaining your EIN independently. Finally, you'll be presented with a few optional upgrades. These include keeping in good standing with Ohio's annual compliance for $109 annually, or opting to manage compliance yourself. You might consider a branding toolkit, expedited filing, an operating agreement, and a formation kit for your documents, each available at additional costs. However, one free service offered is text notifications about your LLC status and updates. It's a handy option you might want to enable. So those are the steps, covering roughly 5 minutes. Of course, you can take your time, reviewing the details more thoroughly if you wish. Tailor Brands provides a light LLC plan at $0. Only the state fees apply. The total fee payable to the state of Ohio is $99 for filing. Keep in mind that optional upgrades can increase this cost, but they're not necessary to start. When you're ready, complete the checkout process, choosing either PayPal or a card for secure payment. And just like that, your Ohio LLC is underway. And that's how you can start an LLC in Ohio in around 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process. If you've been observing and are ready to start, click the link in the description of the pinned comment for fast access to that unique page. I wish you the best of luck in launching your LLC in Ohio. Thank you for watching.